Why you feel tired even when you do nothing. Have you ever noticed something strange? Some days you barely move. No hard physical work, no heavy lifting. And yet, by the evening, you feel completely drained. Your body did almost nothing, but your energy is gone. This is more common than you think. And there are clear reasons for it. Mental fatigue drains energy faster than physical work. We often believe that tiredness comes from the body. But very often, it comes from the mind. Constant thinking, inner conversations, worrying about what might happen, replaying situations again and again. All of this consumes energy. The brain is one of the most energy-demanding organs in the body. Even at rest, it can use up to 1/5 of the body's total energy. When your thoughts are tense or anxious, that energy drain becomes even stronger. You may be sitting still, but mentally, you are running all day. Lack of movement quietly lowers your energy. Here is something most people do not realize. When you do not move, your body receives a signal, energy is not needed. And the body does not adapt only for today. It also adapts for tomorrow. Less movement today means fewer mitochondria tomorrow. Mitochondria are the tiny power stations inside your cells. They are responsible for energy production. Fewer mitochondria means lower energy levels. That is why you can wake up tired even after a full night of sleep. Why slow physical work feels better. Think about slow, steady physical activity. Walking, stretching, working with your hands without rushing. Your body is active, but your nervous system stays calm. This kind of fatigue feels different. It is deep, pleasant, and natural. And not because of age. Most chronic fatigue comes from mental tension, lack of movement, poor breathing patterns. You fall asleep easily and wake up refreshed, because energy was spent and restored at the same time. How to restore energy naturally? Energy does not come from stimulants. It is created by the body. There are 4 key foundations. First, movement. Not intense workouts. Simple, regular movement throughout the day. This tells your body energy is needed, and the body responds by creating more mitochondria. Second, breathing. Shallow breathing quietly drains energy. Slow, diaphragmatic breathing, with a longer exhale, calms the nervous system and stops energy leakage. There are videos on breathing practices on this channel that explain this in more detail. Third, sleep. Sleep is not just rest. During sleep, the nervous system resets, hormones rebalance, and energy systems recover. Without proper sleep, energy cannot return. Fourth, nutrition. Food is raw material, not energy itself. If breathing is shallow and the body is tense, even good food will not be fully utilized. The main idea: you are not tired because you are lazy, and not because of age. Most chronic fatigue comes from mental tension, lack of movement, poor breathing patterns, and disrupted recovery. When you work with the body, energy returns naturally. On this channel, we talk about breathing, posture, movement, and simple habits that help keep both the body and the mind healthy. If this topic resonates with you, stay with the channel. There is much more ahead.